A recent breakthrough in autoimmune disease research has unveiled a potential new target for therapies that could help millions of people suffering from immune system overactivity. Researchers from Washington University School of Medicine and the University of Pennsylvania have identified a protein, ARFGAP2, that plays a crucial role in triggering the immune response. This discovery is particularly significant for those suffering from autoimmune conditions, such as the rare and devastating disease sting-associated vasculopathy with onset in infancy, SAVI, as well as more common diseases where the immune system attacks the body's own tissues, such as COVID-19 and Alzheimer's. The immune system is designed to fight infections by recognizing harmful invaders like viruses. However, in autoimmune diseases, the system mistakenly targets the body's own healthy tissues, leading to chronic inflammation and damage. For years, scientists have understood how this misguided attack begins, but understanding the next phase, how the immune system mobilizes its attack, has remained elusive. Now, this new discovery could pave the way for new treatments to prevent the immune system from going into overdrive. The breakthrough centers on the protein STING, which normally acts as a molecular sentinel in cells. When it detects viral DNA, STING activates immune response proteins called cytokines that help signal the body to fight off infections. However, in the case of SAVI, a rare autoimmune disease, STING becomes overactive, triggering the release of these cytokines even when no infection is present. This chronic immune response leads to severe damage to tissues in the lungs and limbs, often resulting in death before adulthood. The researchers discovered that STING's role extends beyond just signaling the production of cytokines. It also plays a key part in releasing them from within the cell. The protein ARFGAP2 was identified as the final piece of the puzzle, as it directs the release of cytokines, much like a conductor guiding a train to its destination. Without ARFGAP2, STING cannot trigger the release of these immune molecules, preventing the overactive immune response. In experiments with genetically modified mice, the researchers were able to show that by eliminating ARFGAP2, they could prevent the tissue damage associated with SAVI. This finding is groundbreaking because it opens up the possibility of developing therapies that can regulate the immune response in autoimmune diseases, potentially turning off the cytokine storms that occur in conditions like COVID-19 and Alzheimer's, where excessive inflammation plays a central role in disease progression. This discovery also highlights the value of studying rare diseases. Though SAVI affects only 1 in a million births, understanding its underlying biology has provided critical insights into immune system function that could have broader applications. As Dr. Jonathan Miner, one of the lead researchers, notes, studying rare conditions can help scientists uncover information about the normal processes that govern the immune system, which can then be applied to treating a wide range of autoimmune and inflammatory diseases. While this research is still in its early stages, the potential for new therapies targeting ARFGAP2 is promising. By controlling the overactive immune response that leads to tissue damage in autoimmune diseases, scientists could offer new hope to those suffering from conditions like SAVI, as well as more common ailments that involve immune dysregulation. These findings bring the medical community one step closer to more effective treatments for immune system disorders and open up exciting possibilities for improving the lives of millions of people. While this breakthrough is certainly promising, it is important to note that translating these discoveries into practical therapies will take time. As with all cutting-edge research, additional studies and clinical trials are necessary to fully understand how to harness this newfound knowledge in a way that is safe and effective for patients. Nonetheless, this discovery represents a significant step forward in autoimmune disease research, and its implications could be far-reaching, offering hope for those suffering from a wide range of conditions linked to immune system dysfunction.